So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about the FVM. So FVM basically क्या है? जब हम अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स पर वर्क करते हैं, अगर कोई फ्लटर वर्जन किसी अदर फ्लटर एसडीके पर डिपेंड है लाइक 3.25 और अदर प्रोजेक्ट है जो कि लेटेस्ट फ्लटर पर डिपेंड करता है फ्लटर 3.35। सो इसके लिए हमें बार बार फ्लटर एसडीके चेंज करने की नीड रहती है। तो सिंपली एफबीएम का यूज करके हम डायरेक्टली कमांड के थ्रू उसे चेंज कर सकते हैं। मिनिमल प्रोसेस है, डायरेक्ट हमको कमांड रन करनी होती है फ्लटर यूज एफबीएम यूज एंड फ्लटर वर्जन लाइक 3.35, so it will use Flutter 3.35 SDK directly. So first of all, we will activate this. So we have to run this command dart pub global activate fvm to activate this. So I am running this command. Okay. So I have successfully run this command. Installed executable fvm, activated fvm 4.0.1. Okay. Now now I'm installing FVM. FVM. First of all, I want to check. Yes, FVM is installed. So I want to check how many versions installed. So there is no SDK have been installed at. So now I am installing FVM install 3.35. First I have to check in my Flutter project 3.35.7. So it's installing FVM 3.35.7. Okay, so directly I will use with FVM use 3.35.7. If I want to use another SDK, then I have to install that. I have to install only single time that version in the lifetime. So सिर्फ एक बार ही इंस्टॉल करूँगा मैं कोई भी अगर स्पेसिफिक वर्जन है उसे, और कभी भी यूज कर सकता हूँ, और ये इतना मेमोरी भी कंज्यूम नहीं करता है हमारी डिस्क स्पेस में. सो लेट्स चेक. So you can check on pub.dev packages FBM. So you can see here all the commands and all the documentation here. Okay. So ये इंस्टॉल कर रहा है. जिसको भी ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। मैं ऐसे ही वीडियोज लाता रहूँगा फ्यूचर में। So I have to check where this FVM is installed. I think it is installed in this directory. Okay, so now see, you can see 3.3.5 35.7 is installed in my disk. Now I have to set the path of the win directory. So let's copy the win directory. Okay, so now FVM use 3.35.7. Okay, now it's using. So I can see the it is using automatically using Flutter SDK path 3.3.57. Okay, it's also added in git ignore so that GitHub पर ये पुश नहीं हो पाएगा. Okay, so अब मुझे इसके macOS के जेट सेल में इसको ऐड करना है ये पाथ, ताकि ये मैं टर्मिनल पर भी यूज कर पाऊँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पर मेरा FVM यूज ओके आई थिंक यूज करने लगा है. आई थिंक ये एक्टिवेट हो गया होगा और एक्टिवेट हो गया होगा जेट सेल में. सो जेट एल जेट सेल पाथ. So I have to run this command. Okay, so ये मेरा पाथ है. आई थिंक ये ग्लोबली एक्टिवेट हो गया है. So if I use new window, then I'm running this. So I need to check the which path is it is taking, like FVM path or installed SDK path. It is taking, so it is taking installed SDK path, not FVM path. So I have to add FVM in that directory and remove this one. So now it is using FVM. So now I can run this. So uh, first of all, I want to check with by deleting this if this is working or not. Okay, so Flutter, I think it will not work. Okay, VM Flutter, this is also not working. Okay, got it. So now dot FVM. Okay, uh, now I want to set the path. Okay, of this win directory. Then okay, I can now. I think I can run with I'm selecting this, and now I will run with this VS Code, not from terminal. Okay, so debug. Okay, it is working. Very good. So I have to set the path .fvm in environment variable. So I have not installed the SDK. I have deleted Flutter from here. Okay, so it will not consume too much memory in my HDD. Okay, so I can work directly. So let me install another first launch. Let's launch this. Then I will install another Flutter SDK. I think it will take some time. So can I use here? Let me check. No, I cannot. Okay, FVM also I cannot use. Dart command not found. Okay, sorry. So let me open the cell. Now I want to comment it out and need to add a new path. Okay, so I have no letter path in this, I think. Okay, okay, this comment is so let me add my new path. So I'm adding export path equals to dollar path. Now this is the path. Okay, so but